Nitya from CSC Department Section B and my registration number URT17 CS100. Today we are going to see about PHP super global variables. We need to design a multi-page shopping cart in PHP using super global variables such as sessions, post and get. Using PHP sessions, we need to store page-wise form, field values and validate form field values on each page using HTML form elements. At the end, we need to collect values from all the pages and display the summary page. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to create a PHP file in which I am creating and giving style, and then I'm importing the path of the CSS, and then here I'm going to give the body in which I'm going to give the image and then padding, margin, font family and size of the image. So I'm giving a login box, width, position, margin left, top, bottom, color, font size, some things, and then absolute I'm giving as position so that it doesn't change. And text box I'm also giving here for the text box width and then font size, padding, overflow, and then border bottom. For text box I'm giving width, float and text align. In text box input I'm giving the border, outline, background color, float and then. And for BTN also we are going to do the same, and then we are going to close the style head. And now we are going to enter into the body section, in which I am declaring division class is equal to login box, which is login, and then form action. Here we are going to validate PHP method is equal to post, and then here field set is used to get all the fields in one common place, in which I am setting ID as a, and division class equals to text box. And then here I'm also creating class FP user circle area hidden, and then I'm giving it as true. So here input type is text, and then name equal to name, and placeholder I'm asking the user to enter the username. Here I'm giving the pattern and how the username should be there. And then here I'm going to give the text class as text box, in which I'm asking for the password. So this is also hidden. So here I'm asking password, name, password, placeholder, enter password, and the pattern I'm giving it as here. And then here I'm giving class BTN, in which I'm asking the user to submit, that is login. And then fields that I'm closing form and division, and then I'm closing the PHP also here. So let's go to the display part. So firstly here also I'm going to do the same thing. I'm giving the board, margin, font family, background image and background size, color, and then I'm going to close the style and head. In body I'm going to use header, that is order details, in which I'm saying session start. This is a global variable session, and using session I'm here for using PHP, this is the tag we are going to use. And then session start, and then if is set and post. This is also a global variable in which I am saying submit. I am saying echo customer name. That means we are going to ask the name here, and address, city, state, zip code, phone number and email address using echo and post. Else we are going to say that something is wrong, check again. And now I am saying we have selected the clothes, so echo clothes, gender, quality selected, size selected, and color selected. So these are all the sessions. These are all got by using post, and these are all got by using session. And then I'm closing the PHP body and HTML. Now let's go to the second PHP. So here also I'm going to give the style, and in body I'm giving just the background color as red, and then here margin, font family, images and all this stuff we are going to enter here. And in another list also I'm giving list type is none, and then list how it should be, the display should be in inline block. And then here label I'm giving again the font family, border, padding, display position, cursor and all this stuff. And then user select, and then we are going to ask the WebKit touch call out and all this stuff. And then now before label, before we are going to give the background color, width, transition, duration, transform, and then all the other stuff. So here I'm also giving check label. So here I'm giving background border color as some color, and then before also I'm giving gray color and then transforming it. So I'm giving the IDs and I'm going to set the font family, font size, opacity and all the stuff. So here the IDs which I have given in the style, I'm going to use it in the body, that is division ID D1. Your favorite clothing brands are here, and validate form action, we are going to validate it, and the method equal to post. This is the important line here, so this one we should not forget. So we are going to get the text, and then we are using the checkbox, and then we are going to insert the images into it, and then we are going to ask the user to enter. So options also we are giving quantity 1 2 3 4 5. If you want you can give many things, and size also I'm giving XL, small, large and all this stuff, and color also we are going to give. So in this way we are going to close the form and PHP. And third PHP, let's go here. This is also the same. In style we are going to give the background colors, and in body I'm going to give the IDs, and according to that we are going to give the background colors, align head and radius and height and width, the font size, color, all this stuff we are going to give. So in fields it also I'm again giving ID equal to F1, and for that according to that we are going to give the labels here, that is surname, details, last name, street address, address line. So to get the address of the people, your details of the user, we are going to do all this. It's just like a form, and then we are going to fill it up, and then we are going to close the PHP and the body. So now this is a validate section, that is we are going to validate whether it's correct or not. So for that, name equals to, we are using the post, we are going to get the name and password, and we are going to, if name is customer and password is cust1, then header is it's yeah, okay, we can go, or else it should be like no, it's wrong. So in validate one I'm giving session start, in which I am giving the list, radio, quantity, size, color and all the stuff, and then we are or else we will be going to say that it's wrong. So let's check. For that, firstly we need to go to the FileZilla, and then here I've given the host name, username, password and port as 22, and then I've copied all the links, all the files here. So now let's check it in the Google. Yeah, here I've got the login page. This is the image, and here I'm asking the user to enter username. So as I have given, I am giving it as customer, and password I'm giving it as customer, because that's the password I have given. Yes, login. So here I have got your favorite clothing brands are here. So for these types of clothing I have shirt, jacket and jeans. So let's select jeans. Let's select jeans, and it's for men, and quantity size is 3, and this is not excess, and this is young, and let's give it as blue. So I'm taking it as next. So here the details I have to give. So let me give my details only. So this is Vidya, and the street I'm giving it as RKT, and address I'm giving it as Old Bus Stand. So city I'm giving it as Kurnool. State I'm giving it as Andhra Pradesh. Zip code I'm giving it as this, and phone number I'm giving some random number, and email address we need to give it correctly. So @gmail.com. So I want it in express, so 200 rupees extra, and then continue. Okay, so street address we need to give it properly. Street. Yes. So no spaces should be there. I forgot it, so I'm just remembering. address. Now I have got the address, and then this is in this way we are going to get. Here I am giving HR, so it's in the line is given. So this is my details, and then these are the clothes selected jeans. The gender is movements, quantity selected is 3, and size is M, that is medium, and color is blue, and delivery option selected express. So in this way we are going to get the output using PHP. Thank you for watching.